Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a Gmail account from Chrome on your PC. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice your profile icon there, which typically displays your account picture or the first letter of your name. Go ahead and click on this profile icon to reveal a drop-down menu with various account-related options. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says Sign out of all accounts. This option is important because it logs you out of all Google services currently active in your Chrome browser, preparing your browser for the account removal process. Click on Sign out of all accounts to proceed. After you sign out, you'll notice changes in your Chrome interface. Now, at the very top of your browser window, click on the Gmail button or link. This will take you to the Google Account Management area where you can control which accounts are linked to your Chrome browser. Clicking on Gmail here serves as a gateway to managing all the Google accounts associated with your browser session. Next, within this account management interface, look for and click on Remove an account. This option specifically allows you to disconnect Gmail accounts from your Chrome browser permanently. It's the key step in the removal process because it gives you control over which accounts remain connected and which ones you want to eliminate from your browser. Once you click Remove an account, you'll see something distinctive appear on your screen. Each Gmail account connected to your Chrome browser will now display a red circle icon next to it. These red circles act as deletion buttons, making it easy to identify which account you want to remove. Take a moment to review the accounts listed and identify the one you no longer want connected to Chrome. When you've identified the account you want to remove, simply click on the red circle next to that specific account. This action will immediately disconnect that Gmail account from your Chrome browser, removing all associated data and login information from this particular browser session. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Gmail account from Chrome on your PC. The account is now disconnected and will no longer appear in your Chrome profile options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.